Wait, why am I not barbarian?
They're throwing spears at me.
Guys,
That's a trident.
Alright, Savio, Mr. Actually, that's a trident.
Oh, I see someone. I could have just handed him, you know?
Dude, I just got killed by a miner.
Alright, Savio, whatever you say, buddy.
Dude, I'm gonna start an orb farm at the back.
Yes.
I think we're just stupid.
In the back. Who what?
No, I'm making an orb farm.
Orb farm.
Oh, you ran. Okay, we're just gonna.
Just don't try to catch him. Don't try to catch him. You're not gonna catch him.
Go fight some shit.
Run! Run!
Okay.
What is this sleep for, Sam? You serious right now?
Oh, hilarious.
Yes!
Sam, none of us are following you.
Good job, Sam. Good
Go,
job.
go, go,
He
go,
just
go,
got
go,
lost,
go,
bro.
go, 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 go. No!
Amazing,
Lily,
Sam.
why didn't you tell me? I dropped 3 emeralds.
Oh.
Oh.
You should have told me.
No, don't fight them. Don't fight them. Don't fight them.
Repay you.
How are you
We're
supposed
collecting.
3 people here, bro. He's gonna
Go
be
get him!
scared.
Go get him! Go get him!
4. A whisper counts.
They're trying to
Oh my god. Bridging up.
He sucks, bro. He sucks.
You're dead.
Ah!
There's a cool.
He just got 5 big booms, bruh.
I see so many people here. What?
That's true. Get it, man. Get it.
I'm just here for the skeletons, bro.
Really?
Has anyone seen any cocaine?
Has anyone seen any skeletons?
You can't see the orbs. We can't see the orbs.
Yeah, it's just
I
you.
know,
It's
but
just you.
I'm not asking for the orb. I'm asking for cocaine.
How hilarious.
Tight.
Are you guys okay?
They're trying to drop me, bro.
Oh. Dude, I look
I
like
can
my
fly, you
sister
know.
right now. Dude, I look like my sister right now.
Oh.
There's no one there. Never mind. Vamos! Why is it a 2v1? Someone save me. Okay, let's go.
Yo, a
Let's go.
whisper
Get
counts
him.
as one half.
No,
There's
yeah,
a
it's a
squad
3v1.
here. There's a squadron here, bro.
dude, they're absolutely tearing my defenses down.
What the?
Go!
Can we get entrance?
Yeah, we're getting enchants. Oh!
What a lot of Jews. They don't know. They don't.
Wait, don't let the barbarian get kills.
Get him, bro. He's one shot. I can jump over blocks, by the way.
Oh my god, guys, base.
You think? We're all on base.
Oh, I can get him.
Wait, can Elder Tree counter Miner's like ability entirely?
Guys.
No, you still get turned into a stone statue.
Yeah, but here's the thing.
Oh.
Oh, he just fell in the void. Nice.
Good job, Sam.
I have 1 skeleton left, bro. Help me. Bro, someone get tier 3, please. Like,
I got
I
I got
don't
10
have
diamonds.
diamonds.
I got 10 diamonds on me.
we're still on T1.
Have enough.
I got 10 diamonds on me. Calm down.
Then get here.
Get tier 3, bro. There's someone at...
It's not enough.
Wait.
There's someone over there as well.
There, we need 2 more diamonds. We need 2 more diamonds.
Wait, guys, he's coming.
He's coming.
I'm so fucking scared.
I just donated to the demons. Yeah, there we go.
2, 3.
This Jew keeps bridging up.
Bro, I fireball twice and I missed.
Don't think he tanker, bro.
Oh.
You guys, who wants emeralds? I don't need these.
Where's bro teleporting to?
Up there.
Ah, he's in our
Go up there. Go up there. Up there.
Oh my god, the Jew.
Let's go.
What does Unk think what is Unk think you're doing? What's Unk think we're doing, bro?
I got one.
I'm above them. I'm above them. I don't know what I'm doing up here.
Oh god, oh god.
Get the last guy. Get the last guy.
I don't like this.
Get the last guy.
Are we glue trapping? Are we glue trapping, yo?
Finally.
For none of them. None of them.
Yeah, there's just one person, bro.
Sheila. Fucking Sheila.
Oh yeah, he turned around so quickly. How
Oh
did
my
I
god.
die? How did I die so quickly?
Run! I have 10 arms! Get me out of here!
We're
Oh
running
my
as
God.
fast as we can. It's long gone.
Damn.
Let's
Yeah,
go.
I got him.
Wait, no, bro, you stole my kill. What?
Oh, my bad, gang.
I literally. Okay, we. Thank you. We both hit him.
Okay.
This is
At the
like,
emerald
Okay,
ores.
that's okay.
it's really inconvenient to spawn here, but it's fine.
This is not gonna do nothing.
They're coming. They're coming. They're actually coming. Yep.
You think so?
Alright, they're actually, alright,
Barb
so they're
has
actually
a- Barb has
coming.
a rage blade. Barb
He
has a rage blade.
Oh, man.
Everyone's
Dude, I'm
gonna turn
really
on.
vulnerable when I first spawn.
Yes.
So, like I'm
I got one. I
vulnerable
got
to
one.
spawn. There's
I got
one.
one.
There's still the rage blade guy still up
It's a
there.
guy with a rage blade.
What a
Nice.
Jew! What a
Nice.
Jew!
Nice. Oh my god. That's probably two of the best players.
What an
ever.
absolute Jew, bro.
So many great.
Just pinned him with a crossbow. Sun Tzu once said the best way to win is to not fight.
Nah, just push, bro.
Okay.
Low-key, just push. Who's on top? Yeah, just push. Suha, push. Everyone's in there. Everyone's in there. Everyone's in there. Go.
I'm dead. I'm gonna die.
Come here, Jew!
Yo, but we're winning. Where's the... Okay.
Oh, wait, Savio. He's behind Savio. He's coming home.
Oh no, Savio dead.
Guys.
I have 69.
He's at.
I have 69 diamonds. I mean emeralds.
He's
What?
at. Yeah.
Yeah, he's dead. Yes!
Wait.
What did I miss?
I think he teleported.
Hey.
Yeah, we won.
Hey, let's go.
Again? Or...